Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to New Orleans, Louisiana, as we take a drive along Royal Street, one of the most elegant and historic streets in the French Quarter. Running parallel to Bourbon Street, Royal Street offers a quieter and more refined atmosphere, known for its art galleries, antique shops, and beautifully preserved historic architecture. Royal Street dates back to the original layout of New Orleans in the early 1700s, when the city was founded under French rule. After devastating fires in 1788 and 1794 destroyed much of the French Quarter, many buildings were rebuilt under Spanish administration, giving the street its distinctive architectural character with wrought iron balconies, enclosed courtyards, and colorful facades that still define the area today. Royal Street is home to several historic landmarks, including grand townhouses and former residences of prominent Creole families who helped shape the city's cultural identity during the 1800s. Over time, these buildings have been carefully preserved, allowing visitors to experience a streetscape that closely resembles New Orleans from centuries past. Driving here provides a unique perspective on New Orleans, revealing the timeless beauty and cultural richness that make the city one of the most distinctive destinations in the United States.